Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to check out the Premium Roses store, which offers various quantities of roses that last over a year. And they have different colors as well, and different boxes and arrangements. So you're welcome to check those out, but today we're going to focus on the medium pack, which is 16 roses, and in this case, red. This particular item has 600 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.5 out of 5 stars. Very popular. Sometimes referred to as eternal roses, these are freshness preserved roses. They're fresh cut and preserved using a proprietary scientific method that locks in natural moisture and freshness in each flower for a year or more. And these come in an elegant display box. Also free gift wrapping and an instruction card. And these are zero maintenance products. They hold a tenderness and natural and fresh look with no maintenance required. And that makes them a perfect gift for a multitude of occasions, no matter who's receiving it or for what occasion. A Premium Roses box can be a perfect fit for your mom, dad, significant other, coworker, etc. And these come with a satisfaction guarantee, as well as Amazon's 14-day free return period. In addition, you can get them with Amazon Prime, which means free delivery. Nice. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. My sister was the recipient of the longevity roses, and this is the first time she's ever said these words. I have no words to describe how beautiful these roses are. I am completely speechless. Those words, the excitement and emotion in her voice was more than I could have ever hoped for. Mission accomplished. Her co-workers were also overwhelmed with the beauty of the longevity roses she received. My only regret is that I couldn't be there to see the surprise and joy in her eyes. She was grateful to me, and I am forever grateful to you for the beautiful presentation of your roses, and for helping me to bring beauty, love, and joy to my sister. I am a lifelong customer. Thank you. Well, there you go. Check out the Premium Roses store. Get a large, medium, or small pack of roses of various colors and different box arrangements. I think you're gonna love it.